Now that you've created some people in your database, you have people records. Now let's look at how to assign a user account. I'm on Vicki Taylor's record on her personal tab. So on the far right is a system tab. That's where you're going to go to add a user account. You notice I'm on the tab user account here on the left. So I'll go over here to the right where it says add user. When I click that, it's going to automatically, by default, check the My Data account. That's not what I want. That is for someone who is not a staff member. Notice that when I click the Access role, it will remove that. So this is for someone who will be a staff member who will need to take attendance. Access gives this person the ability to view all the records. Attendance lets them take attendance and add guests. Edit, they can edit information about a person or an organization. Manage groups allows them to create and manage subgroups within an organization. This is for creating coupons for online registration, and if you're set up to send text messages, you can select that. Manage emails, schedule emails. If you have edit, you don't need schedule emails. If you want this person to manage all emails, you can give them that. Then these are special purpose type of roles. If this person will be handling your church membership, come all the way over to the right and give them membership. If they're going to be able to look at volunteer applications and manage that, give them application review. If they need to be able to actually request a background check or a credit check, you can select those, but that has to be set up with Protect My Ministry ahead of time. For your finance users, give them the finance role. They don't need these if they have finance. The advanced roles are very limited. As the admin, you have the admin role, but you do not give that role to your other users. This is just for the one or two people that need to be able to access all of those other admin features. So this is something you would give to a basic administrative assistant or other type of staff member that does need to do attendance and edit and that sort of thing. Before you're finished, you want to check send welcome email. That is why we say it's so important to get the good email address on the person's record and then click save. This creates the user record and it sends an email to that person. Let me show you that email. This is what it looks like. It says, hi, Vicki Taylor. You have a new user account on Touchpoint, and this is using Bellevue's email right here. And it gives the username, and it says to click the link to create your password, and it tells them they can access it anytime by going to this link right here. So if I click here, this will give them the ability to set a password. You just click this to confirm, and notice that it says a minimum of 7 characters and at least one special character, like a dollar sign or a pound symbol or period or something. Some people like to use a Bible verse, but that's how simple it is to create those user accounts for all those people records that you've created now.